Hi guys, in front of me is Honor 200 Pro and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first open new message, click on Start Chat and here you've got the current keyboard. Then select Settings, mark Languages, tap on plus icon and choose the language that you want to apply. Tap on Done and now you can stay with both languages or remove some unnecessary language by tapping on Edit and just select the language that you want to get rid of, but let me show you how it works with more than one language. Now, on this word icon you can switch between both languages. So, as you can see, here it is, and now it will go smoothly, so for the first time you have to just refresh it somehow. So that's it, that will be all. And as I told you, if you want to remove unnecessary language, just open Languages, mark Edit, remove unnecessary one, go back, and this word icon disappeared and you have one language only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.